Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from How Logical. In this video, we are going to set up the Safeguard bot in Telegram. It is pretty simple to use. All it does is, it creates a portal and it stops bots joining to your Telegram group. And also people that are non-spammers, it tracks their IP and does not let them in the group. So let's get started. Open your Telegram and you need two things, your private group and public channel. So what we are going to do is add bot to the both groups. Add Safeguard Robot Bot and make it admin. Open your public channel and over here click on add. Now search for the bot. Click on it and over here click on add. Now make it admin and save it. Here you can see Safeguard as admin. Now to your private group, open it, add Safeguard as bot. Now right click to the Safeguard bot and over here click on promote to admin and click on save. You can see Safeguard as admin. Now what we need to do is in the message section type in / and click on setup @Safeguard bot. It will send you this message. Now right click to this message and forward it to your public channel. And over here click here create portal. Now in this interface click here start and your Safeguard portal has been created. So this was for this video. Hope you guys understand and find this video helpful. If you did, please hit the like and subscribe to our channel. And also hit the bell icon for latest videos and drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I will see you guys again in our next video. Thank you guys for watching.